Adding a video sales letter to your website or your landing page has the potential to increase your qualified appointments, and in this video I'm going to share the proven 13-step video sales letter framework that I've used for my clients in my video sales letter agency, over 45 of them, and also shared it with over 350 plus service-based business owners in the agency scaling program Client Ascension, which I'm the VSL coach for. Now, you might be a little bit skeptical about that, so here's some proof that it actually works.
I now book over 30 appointments a month for my website.
About a 22% increase in booked calls.
It has converted from cold traffic. About 10% of people who have opted in to see it have actually booked a call with my agency.
Increased our conversions from a website visitor to a watched video to a booked call by over 100%.
Tripled our call book rates almost immediately after launching.
The closing rate afterwards was like close to double, like not even joking. I'd say it went from about like 30% up near 60.
If you want your overall close rate to go up at least 10% and you want more calls on calendar, I would recommend working with Steve.
Now, to kick things off, I want to share the importance of having a video sales letter for your business. If you sell your services via a call, a video call or a phone call, you need to listen, because a video sales letter has the potential to turn cold prospects into red hot prospects in the space of between 6 to 12 minutes. So somebody can never have seen your stuff before, watch your video sales letter, and then want to book a call and then hand you money for your service. There is no other asset on the planet that does that. It's phenomenal. It's going to warm people up like a hot cup of tea before that call. It's going to educate them before they get on that call with you, so you're not answering stupid questions. You can then go, you've seen the video sales letter, have you got any questions? It can reduce the time it takes to close the sale. There is nothing else like it on the planet. It condenses everything that you do, the results you get, the benefits, the features, the social proof, your credibility, into one asset. It is phenomenal, and it's the exact reason why I decided to set up my own video sales letter agency. VSLs are magic. Step 1 in the VSL framework is your bold claim. This is your opportunity to grab the attention of your prospect, get them intrigued about the result you can get them. Now, be clear. You don't want it to be wishy-washy, so they go, I don't even know what that is. For example, my VSL agency bold claim is learn how to double or triple your qualified book calls with your ideal clients within 30 days. Clear, concise, does what it says on the tin. Now, you might be saving somebody $40,000 a year with hiring overseas talent within 3 weeks. You might be getting people 50 calls on their calendar booked a month. You could be saving them X amount of hours per week. I don't know what the result is that you get, but make sure it's clear and concise. It has to be a bit bold to intrigue them to keep watching, but your bold claim is critical to hook them in. Now, it's natural for your prospect to be skeptical after you've shared your bold claim. So to help with that, you want to share proof that it actually works. And that's step number 2, which is sharing snippets of ROI. Short 5 to 10 video clips of your clients sharing the results that you have got for them. The next part is step 3, the pain and struggle of your prospect. This is a great opportunity to share that you understand and empathize with what they're going through right now. And it does 2 amazing things. It brings their pain into the current moment, which is great for creating a sense of urgency within them to book a call. But at the same time, it also allows them to go, somebody who understands where I'm at, finally. So those 2 things become very powerful later on when it gets them to take action to book that call with you. Now, it's step number 4, where you future pace the bold claim. The bold claim that you had at the start, you then give your prospect the opportunity and the space to imagine what it's like at a future point after they've worked with you and getting the results that you get for your clients. Get them to create the picture and the world and get them to feel that result. It starts to become more real for them of what working with you will be like. It's a really important part of the process. Before I get into the next 9 steps of the VSL framework, if you're thinking, Stephen, I don't want to do this, I want you to create the VSL for me. Well, that's exactly what my VSL agency does. We can write the script, I can do the voiceover, or I can coach you to do the voiceover and the face to camera stuff. Then you can hand us the files, and then we get into the creative edit with my magic editors, and then we hand you the final video sales letter, and then you watch those qualified calls roll in. All you need to do, click the link in the description below, watch our video sales letter, book a call, and let's have a chat. Now, if you're eager for the next 9 steps, keep watching, because here we go. Step 5 is social proof. This is your opportunity to share in-depth video testimonials. This is the best way to share proof that your service works from the horse's mouth. Now, if you're thinking, I don't even know how to ask for a video testimonial, you're in luck, because I have a detailed video testimonial framework with text on it that you can send to your clients, so you don't even have to worry about it. And all you need to do is click the link in the description below, and then they will film the best video testimonial. Because what's really important is they don't just say, oh, it was really nice working with them. That doesn't help you at all from a video testimonial and persuasion point of view. They will share where they were before they worked with you, the pain, the struggle, the catalyst, and then they will share the clear ROI they got with working with you. The bonus bit is if they say, oh, it was great working with us, but it's not a necessity. So that video framework, the video testimonial framework, is in a link below. I got you. Step 6 is company credibility. This is your opportunity. If you have worked with known brands, people of note, somebody that your prospect will go, oh damn, they've worked with them, they must be good. You can add them in this section. Now, if you haven't, don't worry, because you can leave this section out and then potentially add that in at a future point. Step 7 is the company intro or your brand intro. It doesn't matter what it is. This is your chance to introduce yourself. So you can share how long you've been doing it, how big your team is, chance to introduce some of your team. You can share how many clients you've worked with, you know, some of the revenue you've generated. But this is the introduction phase. Now, there are different styles of video sales letter. If you're doing text on slides for most of it, this is your chance to do some face to camera to humanize it. You can potentially do face to camera with some of your team, or you can bring in pictures of them as well. So it's a photograph intro with a voiceover. It doesn't matter, but just share your vision or your mission or whatever it is, but just a quick short introduction that packs a punch to share credibility in this part. Step 8 is the benefits of working with you. Now, have a mixture of emotional benefits and tangible benefits. You could feel more peace of mind, have more freedom to spend time with your loved ones, less stress, whatever you want there from an emotional point of view, but make sure they are legit. And if you're not sure, then go and ask your clients the benefits they got from working with you. Do a bit of research if you need to. And then on the other hand, you want tangible benefits. Are they going to save a minimum of 10 to 20 hours a week? Are they going to save up to $20,000 a year? Are they going to increase their qualified calls by 100%? Whatever it is, have some tangible benefits mixed in with some emotional ones too, and that becomes very powerful. And you don't need a lot of them. I say maybe 5 to 7 maximum, but make sure they are legit and related to your prospect. Step 9 is sharing your high level process. Not super detailed, because you don't want to confuse them and scare them off. High level process. So this shares that you're competent and you know the process that you're going to take them through. That will really help in persuading them to book a call. And keep it simple. Remember I said high level process. Simple, 3 to 5 steps maximum. And you don't want to go into super detail, just nice and simple, so it allows them to go, okay, they know what they're doing, they've got a clear process. That makes me feel more comfortable, but also it will allow your prospect to kind of imagine themselves in that process as well. And that is what you want. Step 10 is sharing the cost of them not taking action, and that action is to book a call with you. So by now, it's been quite a while ago that you've showed that you understand their current pain points and struggle. There's been a lot more positive stuff that's happened since then, and now you just want to remind them that they're in the situation they're in because they're not taking the right action. They don't have the right support. So just remind them of the consequences of them not booking a call. So just kind of just bring that pain to the fore again, create that little sense of urgency to go, oh yeah, this is why I'm in this situation, and this is why you're the person that I need to book a call with. And that is step 10. Step 11 is now reminding them of the bold claim. Repetition is really important here. So the bold claim that you shared at the start, the one that you future pace them in, just share that again and remind them of the results that they're going to get by working with you. This is really important. This is just bringing everything to a close. And the fact you've just kind of brought some of their pain and suffering to the fore, you want to finish off strong with something positive as well. And that's why you just remind them of the bold claim. Step 12 is sharing some more snippets of ROI. Now, these ones can be a little bit longer. If you've got 2 or 3 video testimonials, I would have them max 40 to 50 seconds on this section just to reinforce that bold claim, and again allowing your VSL to be even more persuasive. But you don't have to add this in, it's not a critical part. It's just if you do have social proof, then just add it in this section to bring it home. And the final step is step number 13, your call to action. What is it you want your prospect to do having got to this point in the video? Very simply, you want them to book a call with you. You want to get them on that video call or that phone call so you can then see if they're a fit and you can support them or not. Don't get them downloading a PDF or clicking over here or doing that. Keep it simple. Make it easy for them. Share a little bit about what's going to happen on the call. Keep it short and sweet, and then tell them to click the button and book a call and fill out whatever they need to. Now, on the off chance you're doing a funnel where it's an application funnel, get them to fill out the application, but get them to take one action only. That's it. You now have a framework that is proven time and time again that will increase your qualified book calls for your business. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button, the like button, or whatever other buttons there are on YouTube. I really appreciate your time. If you've got any questions for me, also pop them in the comments below. Yeah, happy days. The most important thing to do this year, commit to creating a video sales letter for your business. They are magical. And on future videos, I'm going to share other ways that you can use a VSL to generate qualified appointments for your business. Yeah, got lots more cool stuff to share with you. Until next time, I'll speak to you soon.